The deep sound of English. Understanding bass note. Hey, language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound a bit musical to your ears: bass note. Whether you're passionate about music or just curious about English phrases, this one's for you. Let's start by understanding each word separately. Bass. This refers to the low-frequency sounds in music, the deep tones that often form the foundation of a piece. Note. In music, a note represents a sound with a specific pitch and duration. When combined, bass note typically refers to a deep, low-pitched tone in a musical piece. It's like the backbone, supporting and giving depth to the melodies. Understanding a phrase is great, but let's see how bass note can be used in context. 1. The song starts with a resonating bass note that captures the listener's attention. 2. In an orchestra, the double bass and the tuba often play the bass notes. 3. He adjusted the equalizer to emphasize the bass notes in the track. From these examples, we see that bass note can refer to a specific sound or general low-pitched tones in various contexts. Language is fun because we can use phrases metaphorically. Just as in music, where a bass note provides depth, in conversations, bass note can be used metaphorically to suggest something foundational or deeply resonant. For instance, trust is the bass note of any strong relationship. His speech had a bass note of sincerity that resonated with everyone. In these contexts, the phrase conveys the idea of something underlying or fundamental. And there you have it. The term bass note not only offers a window into the world of music but also enriches our daily conversations when used metaphorically. We hope this deep dive into bass note has been enlightening. Keep tuning in for more insights into the English language, and happy learning!